How to change team name on FPL. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open FPL on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the pick team option you see there, and now on the left side toolbar scroll down and you will see the option for team details under the admin tab. Tap on that and you will see the option to change your team name. So tap on the team name text box you see there and further go ahead and make the required changes, and finally tap on the update details option. And with this, the team name will be changed as you can see here. So this is how you can change team name in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.